How to fix 0xC004D302, non-core edition error on Windows. 1. Check then improve your internet connection. 2. Make sure the activation key is correct. 3. Run Windows Activation Troubleshooter. 4. Install the key on the KMS host at Volume Licensing Service Center. 5. Rebuild the activation token. File. To do so, rename the existing the token.dat. File at c:\/windows/32/spp/store/2.0. Now, run two commands as admin, netstart sppsvseek_script.exe/slmgr.bbs. /rel reboot your system twice. 6. Run chsdsk command as admin. 7. Run sfc scan as admin. 8. Contact Microsoft support.